Chitchat English.
Do you have a gum?
No, I don't.
You are sleepy.
Yes, I need some rest.
Try to understand.
I will try my best.
Blow out the candle.
Okay, I will.
Switch on the fan.
Sure, I'll do it now.
Take off your shoes.
All right, I will.
Thread the needle.
I'm on it.
Switch on the light.
Okay, I'll turn it on.
Unpack the luggage.
I'll do it right away.
What's happening?
Not much, just relaxing.
Don't use that soap.
All right, I won't.
They like each other.
That's good to know.
Squeeze the lemon.
Okay, I will.
Write with a pen.
Sure, I'll use a pen.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.
What do you think?
I think it's a great idea.
Take off your shoes.
All right, I will.
You are impatient.
I know, I need to work on that.
What do you mean?
I mean exactly what I said.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Don't copy others.
I won't, I'll do my own work.
Don't talk nonsense.
Okay, I'll be serious.
Be careful.
I will, thank you.
It's amazing.
Yes, it really is.
Wash your face.
Okay, I'll do that.
You deserve it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Shame on you.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
He called me.
What did he say?
Forget it.
All right, I won't think about it.
Take care.
You too.
Don't forget.
I won't, I promise.
Clean that.
Okay, I'll clean it up.
He is clever.
Yes, he really is.
Listen carefully.
I am listening.
So far, so good.
Glad to hear that.
Who did it?
I don't know, but I'll find out.
Stay up.
All right, I'll try to stay awake.
Well done.
Thank you.
Don't shout.
I'm sorry, I'll lower my voice.
Try this.
Sure, I'll give it a try.
Drop him home.
All right, I'll take him.
I need an answer.
I'll give you one soon.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
So kind of you.
Thank you, that's nice to hear.
Forget that.
Okay, I won't think about it.
Clean up.
I'll clean it right now.
Do that.
All right, I'll do it.
Buy this.
Okay, I'll get it.
He needs money.
Let's see how we can help him.
I will leave.
All right, see you later.
I need to go.
Okay, take care.
Are you mad?
No, I'm just a bit frustrated.
How far from the office?
It's about 10 minutes away.
This house is to be let.
Is it available for viewing?
Smoking is a bad habit.
Yes, it's really harmful.
I'm better than before.
That's good to hear.
Which way to go there?
You should go straight and then turn left.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine.
I do not take tea.
Would you like some coffee instead?
It is a one-way road.
Thanks for letting me know.
Turn to the left.
Okay, I'm turning left now.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well, thank you.
She sings well.
Yes, she has a beautiful voice.
I am quite all right.
Glad to hear that.
Where is he?
He's in the other room.
He is a painter.
Really? I'd love to see his work.
Get out at once.
I'm leaving now.
Call the doctor.
I'll call him right away.
Turn to the right.
All right, I'm turning right.
What is he?
He is a teacher.
Crossing the street.
Be careful while crossing.
We went to play.
Did you have fun?
I have got a toothache.
You should see a dentist.
The man is lying.
I can't believe it.
How much will be that?
It will be around $20.
Have you no job?
I'm currently looking for one.
What's going on?
Not much, just relaxing.
Do not gesture.
All right, I'll stop.
Put on the shoes.
Okay, I'm putting them on.
I cook every day.
That sounds nice and healthy.
Rome is in Italy.
Yes, it's a beautiful city.
It sounds good.
I'm glad you think so.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm right here.
He was asleep.
He must be tired.
It is a long story.
I have time, tell me.
I am unmarried.
I see, thanks for sharing.
Pray to God.
I will, thank you.
I am single.
All right, I understand.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Keep it clean.
I will make sure it's clean.
He is still alive.
That's a relief to hear.
Try again.
All right, I'll give it another shot.
Sooner or later.
Yes, it will happen eventually.
When to go.
We can go now if you're ready.
Nothing else.
Okay, just let me know if you need anything.
Don't lie.
I promise, I'm telling the truth.